I'm about to show you 10 tools that are completely free and together they replace over $500 a month in software. No trial, no credit card, no catch. Let's go. If you're paying for Canva Pro, ChatGPT Plus, or any kind of design or writing subscriptions, stop for a second. I went through the tools that are actually free right now in 2026. No watered down version and pick the 10 that genuinely replace expensive software. I'll show you how exactly what each one replaces and how to use it. Number 10. Otter.ai. Otter.ai records and transcribes any meetings or voice note automatically and gives you a free summary. If you ever paid for a transcription tool, this replaces completely. Number 9. Recraft AI. Recraft is the only free tool that generates true vector graphic, icon, logos, illustrations that scale to any size without going blurry. If you need clean graphics for thumbnails or logo, this is it. Number 8. Leonardo AI. Leonardo gives you 150 free image credits every single day. That's enough for 30 to 70 images depending on settings. And unlike a lot of free image tools, you are actually allowed to use these commercially. Number 7. Perplexity. Perplexity answers questions with real-cited sources, so you're not getting random AI guesses. You're getting an actual answer with links to back it up. It's free and unlimited for basic search. Number 6. NotebookLM. You upload your own document, PDF, article notes, and NotebookLM becomes an expert on just that material. It can even turn your notes into a podcast-style audio summary. Students, this one alone can save you money on study tools. Number 5. ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs create a studio-quality AI voiceover for free with a weekly word limit. If you've ever needed a voiceover and didn't want to pay a freelancer, this is the move. Number 4. Canva AI. Canva's free AI features now include background removal, AI image generations, and design suggestions that used to be pro only. For most non-designer, this fully replaces Photoshop. Number 3. Google Gemini plus Canvas. Gemini's Canvas feature can take a plain text description and turn it into a working app, game, or interactive tool, built and running right inside the chat. This is the no-code app builder most people are paying for. Number 2. ChatGPT. ChatGPT's free tier now runs on GPT-4o, genuinely one of the most capable models available. Completely free, writing, brainstorming, coding help, all of this. This one tool alone replaces a stack of paid writing subscriptions. Number 1. Google Stitch. And the one that surprised me the most. Google Stitch turns a text prompt or an uploaded image directly into a complete UI design with real front-end code. What used to take a designer hours now takes minutes for free. That's 10 tools completely free that can realistically replace over $500 a month in software. You don't need all 10. Pick the 1 or 2 that solve your biggest time waster right now and actually use them this week. If this saved you money, subscribe. I'm testing a new free AI tool every week on this channel. Which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone. If you don't know how to create high quality prompts, don't forget to watch this video. See you there.